Think you know Korean noodles? Think again. This classic dish has zero broth and pure flavor. Meet Jjolmyeon. Most Korean summer noodles are about sipping cold broth, but Jjolmyeon is completely different. It's all about intense chewiness. It features a spicy, sweet, and tangy sauce packed with bold flavor. This is the legendary Jjolmyeon experience. Spicy, sweet, sour, and unbelievably chewy. Welcome to Jjolmyeon. Let us dive straight into its amazing culinary journey right now. Completing our epic summer noodle series alongside naengmyeon and kongguksu, let's discover how Jjolmyeon was accidentally born today. How was Jjolmyeon invented in Korea? Well, it actually has a very fascinating and unexpected origin story behind it. Back in the early 1970s, there was a busy noodle factory operating in Incheon called Gwangshin Noodle Factory.
While trying to make thin, cold noodles, workers made a mistake and produced much thicker noodles by complete accident.
Not wanting to waste them, they gave these extra thick noodles to a nearby snack bar named Manadang instead. The restaurant owner added a fiery red pepper sauce, and instantly, an iconic Korean street food was officially born. However, another story claims these thick noodles were originally developed specifically for local Chinese restaurants in Incheon back then.
Though its exact origin remains debated, one thing is certain: Jjolmyeon undoubtedly originated right in the city of Incheon.
Fast forward to 2002 in Tokyo, Jjolmyeon was proudly selected as a representative dish showcasing authentic Korean flavor. It stood shoulder to shoulder with iconic legendary Korean dishes like Jeonju bibimbap and traditional dongrae scallion pancakes worldwide. But what makes these noodles so uniquely chewy and delightfully firm? Let's break down the actual food science behind it. The secret lies in the choice of wheat flour, specifically high-protein bread flour rather than standard noodle flour. High-gluten bread flour contains significantly more protein, creating a surprisingly bouncy and chewy texture in every single bite. While ordinary noodles rely on medium protein flour, Jjolmyeon uses high-protein flour for a completely distinct structural bite. These proteins interlock tightly like a dense matrix structure, creating the essential gluten elasticity that defines the dish perfectly. The dough undergoes a unique hot water kneading process, instantly gelatinizing the starches and locking in exceptional structural firmness. As starches absorb hot water rapidly, they establish the foundation for that famously bouncy texture everyone loves so much. Next, the dough is extruded under extreme high pressure, making the noodle fibers dense, tightly packed, and incredibly resilient. That is why these thick noodles rarely break apart easily. It's the defining signature identity of true Jjolmyeon. Compared to cold naengmyeon noodles, Jjolmyeon is significantly thicker and boasts much higher elasticity and chewiness overall. But beyond the unique noodle texture, the vibrant, mouth-watering sauce plays an equally crucial role in this legendary dish. Gochujang, vinegar, sugar, and minced garlic form the essential four-ingredient foundation of this iconic sweet and spicy sauce. That signature spicy kick comes from a famous active compound you might already know. It is called capsaicin. Sugar softens the harsh burn of capsaicin, tricking your taste buds into perceiving a much smoother heat profile overall. Meanwhile, vinegar does more than just add brightness. It actively stimulates digestion while balancing out the heavy flavors nicely. Spicy, sweet, tangy, and savory. Achieving a harmonious balance among these four distinct flavors is the ultimate key. Because this rich sauce coats every strand completely, you don't need any broth to enjoy a delicious flavor explosion. That is the fascinating food science behind Jjolmyeon. Now that your curiosity is satisfied, let's go make some. Let's see how you can easily recreate this authentic Korean dish right at home using simple Western grocery items. Ready to make Jjolmyeon in the US? Let's head out and gather our fresh ingredients step by step. For authentic noodles, head directly to H Mart's refrigerated section to grab a fresh pack of genuine Jjolmyeon noodles. While at H Mart, pick up traditional Korean gochujang paste, selecting mild or extra spicy depending on your personal taste. If an Asian market isn't nearby, Trader Joe's carries gochujang sauce options that work surprisingly well as solid substitutes. For fresh vegetables like cabbage, cucumbers, and carrots, Trader Joe's offers fantastic quality at very reasonable daily prices. Whole Foods is another great option if you prefer organic produce with high freshness for your crisp noodle toppings. Simply grab noodles and paste from H Mart, then buy vegetables wherever convenient. It really is that straightforward and easy.
You can easily customize the sauce profile. Try replacing refined sugar with sweet, pureed fresh fruits for extra natural flavor.
From juicy mangoes to sweet pears or watermelon, feel free to experiment and craft your very own signature style. Treat yourself to a refreshing, sweet, spicy bowl of Jjolmyeon this summer. It's an unforgettable dish you'll absolutely love. That wraps up our summer noodle trilogy. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in our next tasty episode.